Ngayon, I charge 150,000 a day. I used to be paid 5,000 pesos per seminar. Now, how did it start? Sabi ng mentor ko, sabi niya, body. So, dress up differently. Kasi pag you dress up differently, you feel different, tama? Change your language. Yung calendar ko, kunyari, ngayon, magpapagupit. May tumawag na client. Sabi ko sa kanya, Mr. Client, can I call you back? Kasi yung date na sinasabi mo, I may need to move an engagement para ma-accommodate lang kita. Let me call you back in 10 minutes. So yung pagpapagupit, nilipat ko. Another day. Siyempre, kasi may kliyente. So then I called the client. Sabi ko, alam mo, Mr. Client, you're lucky. I was able to move my engagement just for you. How do you think this client felt? Special. Was it real? Minove ko yung calendar ko para sa kanya. Yes or no? Yes! Meron naman talaga akong schedule. Pagpagupit nga lang. Pero, my language is different. Minove ko to para sa'yo. It started generating a different feeling for me. And then I started playing with it. Yung dating 5,000,